Hello, my name is Ayelet and this is a writing tutorial called Grooming the Horses. Many beginning and even experienced writers confess that they love writing the first draft, yet they have a great resistance to revising and editing their text. They find this task tedious, they struggle with their negative inner talk, or they just procrastinate. Yet it is a crucial stage in the writing process, to the point that some writers say it is the most important, enabling one to improve the work and tweak it into the beautiful prose they wish. So how do we get on about it? How do we find the courage and persistence to plow through the hard soil of our initial text? I use several tools to do that. The first is using my imagination, perceiving my text as a piece of land, or in a case of a novel, an entire field that I'm cultivating. I think to myself that this is my mind's self-produced intellectual property, and like a capitalistic farmer, I want to produce the best vegetables out of it. I want to grow a juicy, delicious crop, so I'm willing to do the back-breaking work. The second tool that helps me is timing myself. I put on a timer for 20 or 30 minutes, and within that scope of time, I edit and revise the text. Sometimes it goes so well that I expand and continue further. The third tool is working with a tutor who reads my work and gives me feedback. Because of my personal commitment to that tutor, I produce high-quality work, and I do it on time. The fourth tool is that I do the revising and editing during times in which I feel less creative, times in which I need order and routine. Then the editing becomes a pacifying task of ordering, a quiet, sensible task of putting things in their place. It can be peaceful and rewarding. The fifth and last tool that I use is exploring my negative thinking. I look at those inner critical voices that hold me from addressing the issues in the text. Thoughts like, this is not good enough, no one would want to read it, etc. I use the tool of the work by Byron Katie, which is very helpful in allowing me the mental space to look open-minded at the problems that need to be solved. Revising and editing your text can turn into a source of creative pleasure, a time of grooving and tending your horses in your mind's stable. You can't always go out for a free ride in the meadows. Sometimes you just need to brush your horse thoroughly. That's how the editing revising can be. I hope these suggestions help you. You're welcome to subscribe to my channel, get in touch through my Facebook page or through the link below.